So I am back. So basically, um, this is the way it worked out to be. As you can see, it's right. Um, it's pretty far from the. And I can actually put my fingers under there as far as the phone goes. No interruptions there. No interruptions there. So once I'm on the bike, I should be able to determine if that is the correct or really the only way to put it. I should be able to see the screen without an issue, and you can see there. Um, so yeah, I mean, this actually looks really nice, and the way that the hardware came together, as you can see here, if you have an 890R, considering this does fit other bikes, you can see how this actually sits there and is properly, this is nicely secure. You see it has a nice bit of room in there, that way nothing hits the tank. It's actually quite nice. This is nice, super sturdy. It doesn't move at all. One thing I have to mention, I didn't quite mention it at the beginning, was that there is a set of two sets, or actually, yeah, there's two double washers that actually, you should be able to see it at the beginning of the video. The double washers actually fill a gap right behind this area here. It doesn't go in the front of that, it goes right behind it. And the reason why I say it goes behind it is because if I actually put one washer here and one behind it, the washer itself doesn't do any good. And I'm not going to put two washers outside. So basically they have these little teeth that will actually prevent, once you tighten that up, it prevents this section here from moving. Another thing is that the press nuts are in there, back here on that section, and you want those washers to basically hit this, the inside of this, and the inside of that. That way it doesn't tend to move or get loose or whatever. This right here is pretty straightforward. You see the spacer here, and you see how this whole contour, it's perfect. There's no way that this thing can go forward, because then the phone would be like right up here, and then that would be too far out. So that is definitely the way to install it, and I'm actually quite happy with the results. And as you can see, that's the tab to press down and basically just undo your phone. I'm actually recording with it, so I cannot install it there on the case yet, but once it's there, this should all be perfect. And let me tell you, that is super nice. It's very slick, and it complements the bike super nicely. Plus I really needed that. I hate to have my phone on my pocket. So anyway, just in case people didn't see my bike yet, which I don't think they have, because this is the first time that I've actually made a video. This is my bike that I just bought. It has 150 miles in it actually, and it is freaking badass bike. I had the Harley and I sold it, and now I have this thing. So this is some badass bike. I will be making some more videos. I actually got two exhausts on Friday, and my garage is a mess, but I'm actually gonna go in here. I got two exhausts from two different manufacturers on Friday. So I got an Arrow and a DCAT exhaust here to remove the catalytic converter. I did get some heat exhaust tape for the exhaust to wrap them, and I also got from a different company in the UK. I got this Black Widow exhaust, which is a dual exhaust for that bike. I'm actually going to wait until I can get that get the bike on the braking period, which is a little bit over 600 miles, and then get that installed. I want a dyno at first with that exhaust, that's the original, and then go from there. But anyways, that is another video. Just wanted to give a recap. I'm going to be doing some stuff and possibly going back to making videos. It's been quite a long time for me. So anyways, just wait for them, and we'll be all set. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and if you want, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see what I can do with the content and keep moving it forward. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.